Reaching for the sky, Woodpecker. I'm taking that there horse.
Goodbye, old pal.
Come on, crybaby. And cut out that slobbering all over.
You can't get away with this.
Oh, no? Har, har, har. Oh, for crying out loud. Now get up.
It's him. Where'd he go? Yes! Wanted, Dirty McNasty. Reward $1,000. Why, that's the dirty horse thief that stole my horse. $1,000 reward. Oh, pal! Where's that guy who stole my pal?
All right, you dirty horse thief. Will the real Dirty McNasty please stand up?
I gotcha. Now cut out trying to run away. You're gonna be my horse. Now get back in there. Oh, you see friendly redhead woodpecker around here? Yeah, he went that away. Ha, ha, ha. Stop! Something funny going on around here. Dead rat that confuser hunting very him. Jackpot! I got him! Okay, Woodpecker, you asked for it. So that's it. It's the reward you wanted. Well, do you have any last words before you get your reward?
You got a nickel? Lemons!